The key differences between mitosis and meiosis occur during the metaphase and anaphase of both processes. Nevertheless, the ultimate difference between mitosis and meiosis is the difference in what each process produces. Mitosis produces an exact copy of a cell, creating a diploid cell. This is the beginning of metaphase and mitosis. During metaphase, the sister chromatids line up the equator of the cell, pulled by the spindle fibers, which are attached to the centromeres of the sister chromatids. This ends metaphase and mitosis. Anaphase and mitosis then begins. During anaphase, the sister chromatids are pulled apart at their centromeres by spindle fibers, drawing them to opposite ends of the cell. This ends anaphase and mitosis.
Meiosis produces 4 haploid gametes, or sex cells, eggs and sperm, from one diploid cell. There are 2 phases of metaphase and anaphase in meiosis. This is the beginning of metaphase 1 in meiosis. The yellow chromosomes are maternal, and the red chromosomes are paternal, with the cell being n equals 2. During metaphase 1, the tetrads, which are pairs of homologous chromosomes which have crossed over or switched pieces of genetic material, line up at the equator of the cell pulled by spindle fibers. This ends metaphase 1 in meiosis. Anaphase 1 in meiosis then begins. During anaphase 1, the tetrads split at their chiasmatas and are pulled randomly to the other sides of the cell. Nevertheless, the sister chromatids are not split, rather they stay together. The random split of all the tetrads in the cell is called independent assortment, because there is a 50% chance for one chromosome to go in one direction and one to go in another, as well as there being 2 pairs of homologous chromosomes in this cell. The chance of a specific outcome will be 25%, or 2 to the power of 2. Independent assortment is what causes variation in sex cells. This ends anaphase 1 in meiosis. This is a view of one of the 2 cells created by meiosis 1. This is the beginning of metaphase 2 in meiosis. Meiosis 2 is very similar to mitosis. During metaphase 2, the individual chromosomes line up at the equator of the cell, pulled by spindle fibers, much like metaphase and mitosis. This ends metaphase 2 in meiosis. This is the beginning of anaphase 2 in meiosis. During anaphase 2, the sister chromatids split at their centromeres and are pulled to opposite ends of the cell by spindle fibers, much like anaphase and mitosis. This ends anaphase 2 as well as meiosis 2.